me live today. I'm going to be bringing you the Infinix Note 4 Frpbypass steps. Very simple. Follow through the whole video, watch to the end, and please like if you love this video and subscribe if you want to be a subscriber. Thank you for watching. Peace. So now we got a Note 4 right in front of us. As you can see, it is locked. As you can see, it's locked Frpbypass. First of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna connect it to any available network. Connect it to any available network to try it. So we're gonna start it, and then we're gonna set up as new rather, and then we're gonna see all the Wi-Fi networks there. And then you're gonna see a network there, Olu. You're gonna hit on Olu. Then they are gonna be different. Just connect to Wi-Fi, and then let's see if this truly have Wi-Fi on it. As you can see, I got it. It's locked. To verify your account, it's locked. So what you're gonna do for the next step, you're gonna put a SIM card in the phone. Put a SIM card in the phone. Open it. And you're gonna put in a SIM card. Any type of SIM card will do. Put in a SIM card. And then when you got a SIM card in it, so they were not gonna be using the computer. We're gonna be using the phone. So you got a SIM card in there. Go back. Go to emergency right here. Go to emergency info right here. Tap it one more time again. Then go to add. Continue. Go to contact. Go to add contact. And you'll see like a number, and then get hit on any of these numbers. And then go back. Hit on it again. And then we'll call. Cancel the call. And then go back again. Go to this. Go to contact. And hit on this number. And this will pop out. Like, you gotta allow everything rather. After allowing everything, this menu bar gonna pop up. You hit the hamburger, the three dots right here. You're gonna hit it. Hit it. And then you hit it. Okay. And hit share. The share, squeeze your hand on this. For the app info. For the app info, slide down like this. On the side rather. On the side like this. For the settings, homes. For the display. For the wallpaper. And then you choose the last wallpaper, which is this right here. You choose it. Then hit apply. Come in the camera. Okay. Rob, you can see, you hit apply. To wait again. Hit apply. Share the book. And then press OK. And then loading. Dial. Then you slide it. Start now. Voila, it's open, but it's not yet open. You have to notify or how to verify rather it's not yet open. It's the notification. It's not pulling down, right? So next you go to the internet. You can use Chrome, open Chrome, hit accept and continue, rather. Go to no thanks. Search for quick sugar maker. Right here, hit the one I say up to time. The second one I say up to time right here. Hit that. Go to up to time.com and then go to download. Go to download right here. Go to continue, allow, and then you pull on. And then go download. Then you go to this hamburger. Go to your downloads. Nothing is there yet. So you go back. Y'all remember to download this one, the symbol on it. You get another one there too. Don't download that. Hit download again. Hit it out. And push OK. And download is already opening. Then when you reach here, wanna go to the new sources. New sources, go to settings. Go to new sources right down here in the image. Press OK to that. And then go back. You go right here. You download. And then right here, open it up. And then start. After open it up. And then press no. There's a simple start. Get search for anything that say X. It's just like the OBB folder. It's very simple. Search. Take your time. Search. Searching for S. Actually, the OBB, but I think it's different language here. So you can take your time. Search through this phone. Okay, it's RLK settings. Yes, RLK settings right here. Right there, RLK settings. Open it up. The first one right here, first option. I say RLK settings, media, tech. You know, try. After you try, choose a location. Choose your location. Stop. Agree. Agree to that. Then voila. It's open. You see? It's open. That's just it.